Hi folks, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video with me on this 2017 Hideout by Keystone. It's going to be a nice little super slide out rear lounge, and it's going to be roomy, have big windows, lots of natural light. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish on the outside. So on the inside here, you're going to have the big chairs in the back. You'll have the couch there that makes into a tri-folding bed, and then you have this big U-shaped booth dinette. And then you'll have your access to the kitchen. It's kind of nice. It's got a little bit of storage here also on the back side there. Refrigerator's up high, easy to get to. You do have some pantry there next to the refrigerator. TV and entertainment center is a combination there, so you can play DVDs and what have you. As you go back over here, the side aisle, it does have an enclosed bathroom there with lots of room. Look inside there, lots of foot space, and you can easily get into the shower. It does have some grab handles that somebody added on there, which is nice for extra support if you need to. It does have a real nice mattress, looks to be maybe even an aftermarket, pretty cool quality there. You do have lots of light coming in through the bath into the master bedroom here. So you've got the closet on both sides and then storage above here. There'll be a place probably to hang a TV if somebody needs to. Somebody, of course, did use a lot of little handles here, so if it was somebody that maybe had some mobility concerns, this may be a very good consideration for somebody, and that would be a good thing to know too. You can kind of give a call at the end of the video if you have more questions about the inside features. Let's go ahead and show you some of the exterior setups out here. It does have a nice extended handle here for getting in and out. Also has a nice big awning for the patio space there, and you do have a ladder, so if someone does need to get up to access on that, we recommend you take advantage of Guaranty's free roof inspections twice a year. Nice big windows to look out of. Also nice windows in the actual slide out here for more light. You do have a slide topper awning to help protect from debris, and as we go through to the other side here, again, window on that side as well, so you're going to have some pass through that will go through this area as well, all the way through underneath that master bedroom. Do have the big tanks and power tongue jack up front, diamond plate. Looks pretty good condition. Of course, for a 17, it should be nice, and it is. If you have any more questions about it, give me a call at the end of the video. Tom Peterson. I'd love to answer more questions for you about this product, as well as maybe some other inventory that might be fitting for your needs as well. And remember, at Junction City here at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.